Okay, let's look at subtracting mixed numbers with different denominators. Now remember when we did addition, we learned that when you've got a plus, you've got to have two denominators that are the same. It's the same with a minus. If you have a minus, you have to have the same denominators. Do we have the same denominators here? No, we don't. So we have to change them. We can make 5 become a 10 so that we have the same denominators. And how do we make the 5 become a 10? We times it by 2. And because we did that to the denominator, we have to also do it to the numerator. So let's rewrite it now. 5 and 1 times 2 is 2 over 5 times 2 is 10. And then we write the rest of it down. And now it's simple to do because we can see we have the same denominators. We can legally do our minus now. Minus and plus like the same denominators. So now that we're busy with minus, we can continue. We're going to have 5 minus 1 is 4. 2 minus 1 is 1 over 10. Okay, quite easy. Let's look at another example. We have a minus. We have two different denominators. That's a warning sign. When you have a minus, you've got to have the same denominators. How can we make 3 look like 9? We can do it by timesing it by 3. 3 times 3 is 9. And we're going to do the same to the top. So let's rewrite it now properly. 3 and 5/9 minus 1 and 1 times 3 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. Now we have the same denominators. Our minus can take place. So let's do our minus now. 3 minus 1 is 2. 5 minus 3 is 2 over 9. There you go. Not so bad. Next one. Right. We have a minus sign. And you can see, let me not jump the gun there. We have a minus sign. And because we've got two different denominators, minus doesn't like that. We have to have them both the same. So 5, as you saw just now, I'd already written in there. We're going to have to times it by 2 to make it the same as 10 on this side. And we do the same to the top. Okay, let's rewrite it. So we have 2 and 5/10 minus 1 and 1 times 2 is 2 over 5 times 2 is 10. Now we have two denominators the same with our minus sign. Everything is ready to go. All we have to do is our minus. 2 minus 1 is 1. 5 minus 2 is 3 over 10. Okay, the last one is yours. You're going to do this one now. You're going to press pause. And you're going to scribble it down on a piece of paper. And you're going to attempt to do it. You're going to have to make the denominators the same. A hint is 3 is not a factor of 4, so you're going to have to find something that they both can go into for your denominator. So press pause, and then I'll see you just now. Okay, assume you're back. Let's do this one. We have a minus, and we have two different denominators. Minus does not work well with two different denominators. In fact, it doesn't work at all. So we have to make 3 and 4 into something that is the same. So the best is to make them into something they can both have on their multiplication tables, which is the lowest common multiple. The multiple in the 3 times table and the multiple on the 4 times table where they both match. And we know they can both go into 12. So we're going to try and get the denominator to 12. So to get 3 to 12, we're going to times it by 4. 3 times 4 is 12. We did that to our denominator. Now we have to do it to our numerator. To get 4 to 12, we have to multiply it by 3. 4 times 3 is 12. And we're going to do the same to the numerator. Okay, so let us rewrite that then. 5 and 2 times 4 is 8 over 3 times 4 is 12 minus 2 and 1 times 3 is 3 over 4 times 3, which is 12. Right. Now you can see denominators are the same. Minus is ready to go. Let's do it. 5 minus 2 is 3. 8 minus 3 is 5 over the denominator of 12. Did you get that? If you did, that's a good thing. If you didn't, we just practice some more. It's very simple. You just have to do everything one little step at a time. Write your workings down, make notes on the side to yourself, and you will become a master at this. We'll see you in the next lecture.